What's up, my good people? Hope everyone is fine. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video from. Welcome again to my channel. My name is J People. Hope everyone is fine. I'm happy again to this day. And today's weather is not conducive, but we have to go with it. As you can see, I'm just walking around the forest here, but weather is not even sunny. Is not since morning. I've not even seen sunny arise, because the sun have not arrived since morning. We are not even happy because here we are in our village now. It's time for harvesting, so we need much sun so that our maize can dry up. You see, so so as you can see, other people are they are digging. They are just preparing the shamba. So here's my village. I'm just walking around to show how things it is. As you can see, see the crowds. You see the crowds, my people. I may call it unwanted weather. You see? Let me show you the crowds. You see, my people? The weather. It is unconducive weather. You see? It is unconducive weather indeed. Even in our even my car will not even take water due to the weather. You understand? As everyone know, even our cows do goes. I come to realize that they do take water according to the weather. So I was shocked today, but you have to accept it. Cannot judge anymore, but you have to accept it. So guys, this is our average. As you can see, you see around our village. You have many falls. It's a good silent village. You can't hear anything, bad sounds. It's a area that is very silent, and we are doing. You can set your mansion here. So my people, you can set your mansion here and stay safe, because security is good and everything. Any type of food you want is over here. You see, you only come buy a shamba, you build your mansion, then life starts. Wow. I'm crossing the road, this Moram road. I'm just crossing, going to the another forest way. See ya. Ataitasi. Natoka tauni. Natoka tauni. Takutana huko chini. So my people, as you can see, these are threads for a tractor. I think it was taking something here. I think it's a trees, because here we have many trees. I think it was here a tractor. It was here taking trees that they have cut down. So you can see those threads, and this is swampy area, so you can see everything that was taking place here. Because even when it's rain season, when you hold your legs down when it's rain time or season, your threads remain there, you see. So people, here we are today. Welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. If it's your first time being this channel, subscribe so that we are the journey of hitting 1,000 subscribers. Alone. So my people, you see, let me show you the threads of the tractor. You see, that's the tractor thread. So my people, here today I am. It's actually evening hours. As you can see, the clouds. It's like the electric observation that the rain might be raining anytime. You see, it's very dark and somehow white. You see, the weather is not somehow conducive. So guys, today's weather, it was not somehow, because even you can see at the hanger, I was just screaming. I tried to keep clean, just keep quiet. Quiet. I was just cleaning the clothes, but I see the weather is not conducive. I just clean only 3 clothes. As you can see, there's a clover, and all is a short with a vest. You see? And the plastic pare. Iti. You see, guys? So I am at my home right now. Right now I'm at my home. So guys, as I told you, there's one of the certain video I showed you that our house got collapsed. You see, this is our house got collapsed just 1 month, like 1 month ago. Yeah, exactly 1 month ago. So here today we are. I just bring these bricks. These are African bricks, but here in East Africa it is common, and also yeah, in Kenya, mostly in Kenya, at Kuria land, we normally use this because here we believe this one is more better, you see, and a good one. As you can see, it's all over in our house. So here it was a pillar here. Here it was a pillar up to down there, you see, as you can see, but it goes collapse, you see, as you can see. So we just remove all the wall that was here, because it's got collapse. So instead of all the house could collapse, we decided to move all of the wall. So here we have these bricks that we want to build that that pillar. There's a pillar that was coming across. See this one here. This pillar was coming from there up to here, and it also a wall, as you can see, a wall. What do you want? Hey guys, welcome. So today, then tomorrow I will go to Shamba. We're going to prepare the place that I will plant trees. So I'm just preparing, as you can see here. So today my mom's brought here. What do you call this? Cooking what? Cooking spade.
Stick.
Inaitwa hivyo?
Stick.
Stick. Cooking stick. Cross there. I may call the cooking stick. Or it's like a spade because you can even scoop soil with it. So it's a very wonderful thing. And if you see this video, maybe you want one of them, my number is over there. You just call me. I will give you the direction of getting this. This is a very nice one. I can see this is a very big one, and this is the small one. You see? So guys, if you come across it, all if you want it, just inbox me. I will just direct you. So without wasting much time, so here is this one. This is a djembe stick. This is a djembe stick, and the thing, this one is old. Now we want to move this one old. We put on the new stick. So there is the process. So let us put this one. You see. So this is my book. I was just reading this. So I normally like reading books. Here is the Winning Youth Warrior. Winning Youth Warrior. So just reading. So guys, I'm just preparing the djembe because tomorrow I have work. A nice one. So I'm just preparing it. Kita nyuma. So, I have a small stubborn girl here who is, I may say, she's just confused. I don't know what's going on. So guys, we are trying to fix it so that it can be well fixed. So now the djembe is good, ready to work. Ready to work, you see. Also, if you want this stick, just take my number at my YouTube page there. You just call me or just text me at WhatsApp. I will give you direction, then you get just one of these. They're a very good one. So being this the old one, you just there for just using like a file. So guys, remember by now we are just hitting that just on the way trying to hitting that 1000 subscribers so that you can get demonetized. If you are new here, subscribe, comment and share. That's our main point by now. Please, if you find this video, maybe it's your first day being in my channel, the main issue by now is just subscribing, then everything you just from kindly your brother or sister I don't know, your whatever. Tell her or tell him to subscribe. You see, and everything will be good. By now, as you can see, the weather is not somehow conducive. By tomorrow, I will just be there. Okay, thanks. May God bless you.